Too many popcorn makers look interchangeable. The Whirley-Pop is the crisp stovetop default. Switch to Tramontina, PopLite, or the Popper for versatility, speed, or storage. Choose by texture, attention, batch size, and storage. 4 crisp stovetop batches by the Wabash Valley Farms Whirley-Pop Popcorn Popper. Its hand crank keeps kernels moving, while the vented lid releases steam for a crisper finish. It suits frequent popcorn makers who don't mind oil or active cooking. The catch is ownership. This pan does one job and needs dedicated storage. Some oil mist can also escape through the lid. Skip it if you want oil-free popping, minimal supervision, or the smallest footprint. For cookware that earns its cabinet space, choose the Tramontina Gourmet 8-quart Tri-Ply Stock Pot. It's roomy enough for popcorn, then stays useful for pasta, soups, and everyday cooking. You must shake it regularly because there's no stirring crank. Its regular lid also traps more steam, so move the popcorn into a bowl promptly for better texture. Expect normal washing afterward. Skip it if you want venting, built-in stirring, or a low-attention method. For fast family batches, get the Presto PopLite. It sends a large amount directly into a serving bowl without oil, active stirring, or much cleanup. That makes it especially convenient for frequent snack nights. But the popcorn comes out lighter and less crisp than a stovetop batch. It's also noisy, occupies counter space, and only handles this one task. The butter melting lid isn't especially helpful during its short cycle. Skip it if texture, quiet operation, or compact storage matters most. For small kitchens and occasional snacking, choose W&P The Popper. This silicone microwave bowl collapses flat, works without oil, and lets you season your own kernels. Its roughly 9 CUP output suits smaller batches rather than gatherings. Microwave timing can leave kernels behind or overdo some pop pieces. The flexible bowl may feel awkward when hot, and silicone can retain a faint popcorn smell after washing. Skip it if you regularly serve a crowd or hate dialing in microwave timing. Quick split: Whirley-Pop for crisp texture, Tramontina for versatile cookware, PopLite for fast family batches, and the Popper for compact storage and smaller servings. Before buying, check cabinet or counter space, preferred batch size, cleanup tolerance, and whether you'll actively manage stovetop popping. Start with the Whirley-Pop if crisp texture justifies a dedicated pan. Switch to Tramontina for versatility, PopLite for easy volume, or the Popper when storage decides everything. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.